For the prime factorization, here is the number 22. So 22 have the two factors 2 and 11 in form of prime factors. 2 is the prime number, 11 is the prime number, so 2 into 11 equals 22. What numbers can be multiplied together to get 24? 1 into 24, the number 24 is called the product because it is the result of multiplying two or more numbers together, like 2 into 12, 8 into 3, 4 into 6, etc. The numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12 and 24 are called factors. These are the numbers being multiplied together. What are the factors of 7? 1 into 7, composite numbers. Numbers which have two or more factors, like the number 24. Prime numbers, numbers having exactly two factors, 1 and itself. 7 is a prime number. For the prime factorization, the factor 56 using only prime factors do the factorization. Like for 56, here is 28 is the composite, so we can factor it for further. Like first 56 is equal to 2 into 28. Now you can see I am just pointing the numbers 2 and 28. So here 2 is the prime number. Again for 28, 2 into 14. Again for 14, 2 into 7. So here 2, 7 are the prime numbers, and the factorization of 56 is 2 into 2 into 2 into 7, or 2 into 3 into 7, because 2 is 3 times. So 2 to the power 3 into 7 is the product form of 56, and in terms of prime factorization. Now we can make a factor tree using different starting factors, like 4 is composite, so we can factor it further. 56, 4 into 14, so 2 into 2 for 4, and for 2 into 7, 14. So here 2 is prime, 7 is prime, so 2 into 2 into 2 into 7 is equal to 2 to the power 3 into 7. The prime factorization of every number is unique. No matter what factors you choose, the prime factorization you will still the same for the number. Now for the greatest common factor, find the prime factorization of the following two numbers, 60 and 105. So for 60, 2 into 30, so 2 is the prime number. For 30, again 2 into 15, like for 15, 3 into 5, so 2 into 2 into 3 into 5 is the combination of 2 and 3, where 2 is 2 times, 3 is single, 5 is single, so 2 to the power 2 into 3 into 5 is equal to 60. For 105, 5 into 21, for 21, 3 into 7, so 5 into 3 into 7, 3 into 5 into 7 is the prime factorization of 105. So what factor do these two numbers have in common? 3 and 5. Here you can see 3 and 5 are the common numbers in 60 and 105. The greatest common factor of 60 and 105 is 3 into 5 equals 15. Find the greatest common factor of the given monomials, like